Hi guys, another day, another delivery and another unboxing. So today I received, so I put my hand on it. So I received something from Hong Kong and it's everything for my M50X, so from Audio Technica headphone, and it's to replace the pads because I'm not a big fan of the pads. I have to say, I think they are nice, but I'm sweating a lot. Let me take it. So probably you remember this. I really like. I mean, I really like. It's a nice headphone. I mean, it's a closed back, so I'm not a big fan of closed back headphones, but sometimes it's mandatory. You have to use them. So especially when you go outside, you're walking, and you don't want, everybody to suffer from your poor musical choices. Or you don't want to hear yelling, screaming kids around you, or you're simply at the office and you don't want to annoy your colleagues, or you don't want to hear your colleagues yelling on the phone. So yeah, I think for that the closed back headphones are pretty good. And for all the rest, for the music in general, I really use 95% of the time the open back headphones, and I really prefer the feeling with an open back. Anyway, that's not the purpose of this video. So I'm just going. Oh, it's easy. Okay, I'm just going to take the. So what we have here, we have different things. We have so what I ordered the Micro Suede Oval Velour and Micro Suede. This one is the Pro Stock, so those two are very similar, and this one is the Velour. Why I ordered different, probably only one was necessary, but I was not sure which one I would like. And as there's a very long shipping time, because it's coming from the other side of Earth, and it took, I think, 6 weeks to get delivered, and you pay for the shipping, and the prices were pretty interesting. So I decided to order more, so I will have spare pads to change. Anyway, so I have my headphone here. So let's start with the Micro Suede. So the normal stock. No, this is the Pro Stock, and this is how it is. So you can see up. Feeling is nice. It's just full of. Okay, I will clean it a bit, and it's pretty easy to install. So this is the second one. So yes, so yeah, actually I can show you both like that, so you see how it is. So okay, so that was the Pro Stock Micro Suede. Then we have the normal, so not the Pro Stock. What is inside? Win 10% off your next offer. Okay, whatever. So this is the normal stock. Okay, here it's flat, while here I think it's thinner also. Probably you can see. So this is the Pro Stock and this is the normal one. Yeah, I forgot to mention that it was coming from this company. Probably you see. And I bought it because it was recommended on the forums, saying that they were pretty good and it was cheaper than another brand I forgot. And so I decided, okay, let's give it a try. And the last but not least, the velour. Yeah, it's strange. It's not what I call velour myself. Okay. So up. So here, Suede, Pro Stock, Suede, Standard, and velour. And yeah, I don't know which one I should. I'm afraid that if I try with the Pro Stock, I will not change anything. So compared to the other one, Pro Stock. Okay, so let's try it. So normally it's pretty easy to change. We just have to be careful. We pull, okay. So we remove one, we remove the second one, up. So this is the almost naked N50X from Audio Technica, and I don't know which one is the most comfortable. I think the Suede is more comfortable. I think here it's regular foam, or at least it's the feeling here it's like memory foam, and here memory foam as well. So okay, let's try with this one. So to do this, I took my kit, so because I don't want to spend too much time installing it. So up. I think it's easier to install on Beyerdynamic headphones. Okay, I think it's going to take more time than I thought. Okay, probably I will have to watch a video how to do it properly, because I thought you just have to do something like that and you turn. As I don't want to damage the pad. Okay, anyway, I wanted to show you how it is, but it seems I'm not qualified to install this properly, which is a bit annoying. Yeah, they should have done something like Beyerdynamic. I don't know if I made a video how to change pads on the Beyerdynamic, but it's pretty straightforward. And here it's a bit okay. Up. Maybe there's a technique. So if you watch this video and if you have a technique, please leave a comment. I need to improve my skills in. Up. Okay, I'm almost done. Yeah, maybe I should use this. Okay, and the space. Et voilà. Ta-da! Okay, I won't change the pads anymore. I think it's easier to change the headphone. No, just kidding. But yeah, I think I should have left. I think it's pretty nice. I will try. I will see how it is, how how is the feeling, how is the sound also, because every time you change the pads, the sound will be a bit modified, or the way you perceive the sound will be modified. And I think it's very nice. What I didn't like with the stock ones is they are very comfortable, and this is not, but when I walk, I'm sweating a bit more with this kind of pad than with velour or suede. So this is the reason why I wanted to change them. And I will try. And anyway, I have different pairs, so I will walk, and every day I can try to change them to see which one I prefer. But yeah, at least I think it's very nice. Suede is very, very nice. The velour, I'm a bit, I'm not convinced, to be honest. It looks like very cheap thing. And yeah, check price-wise, I don't remember how much it was. Oh, there was the price on the envelope. So, okay. Yeah, velour, it's 10 euros, and Pro Stock was 16.3 euros. And yeah, memory foam, and they're all memory foam. So, no, not this one, it's not written memory foam. And 14, yeah, there is like €1.80 difference between the Pro Stock and the other one, and the velour pad is the cheaper one, the cheapest one. So, yeah, anyway, I will try and we'll see what is better. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.